off. Wow, Howling at the Moon. Look at all of these cars out here. Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are doing a little treat today. We are at the Howling of the Moon.
Suzanne is ready.
We're here with a few friends, so we're going to be introducing them along with the what's kind of going on around here and stuff. So anyway, Ninette's ready too. She's got some hot wings, right?
Yeah. Oh, there they are.
Yep. So anyway, we're going to go out and we'll kind of show you what this is all about. We are out here with the group. And you can see that there is a big group of people out here, and it's just a big gathering. It's the desert. You can get a lot of people out here. Okay, so to just give you a layout of how everything is working around here, I'm going to kind of show you where everybody's at, which is right behind me. We kind of showed that. But right here, we're going to actually take a little stroll down Vendor Lane and check out what they actually have here. Because what they do is they mark off this area, which is private land, by the way, and they come out here and set this all up, and then all the food trucks come out here, and then everybody else comes along, and then bands show up. So it's kind of a fun little activity, and the whole idea is that we're sitting here waiting for the moon to rise. So here is the vendors, and the first one on the list today is pizza. So $8 for a combo pizza. You guys are just cooking these right on the spot, huh?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
All right.
All
That's
fresh, homemade dough. It's still in balls.
Oh, wow. Yep, so we can see it back there, all the dough made up. Wow. That looks pretty good.
Last night, we cook it fresh, but we cook it fresh every day before. And if it doesn't sell at the end of the day, we throw it out. It's not tomorrow's dough.
Oh, good to know.
Ready?
That's pretty cool. And then our next one over here is the hot dog party. And looks like they have a lot of all kinds of things on this one. So, but these are all just vendor trucks that just show up out here. And of course, we get a couple thousand people that come out to these events. So it's well worth it for them to provide food. And you can see they've got quite a few things on that menu. And we just kind of keep on moving down through here. And Granny's Bubble Waffles. Oh, ice cream. Remember, we're in Yuma, so it's like what, at least 75.
Yeah.
So we can have ice cream outside right now. So, Golden Sun. And you guys were probably hearing, I have a mic on because the wind's really blowing today. But you might have heard my Todd. So, Todd, say hello.
Hello.
Todd's back with us again. We've now met up in Yuma. So a couple videos ago we were in Kanab. Here's Jerky, Low and Slow. So this is a barbecue, and it's supposed to be really good. So you can see that they have a little bit of everything out here, and they really are accommodating to the people. And of course, everybody out here is super nice. And that's what makes it a lot of fun. So you can see it's just the desert out here, and the bands are over there far away, and people just come in here and start setting up chairs. The moon's going to rise over there, so that's what we're waiting to watch, is the moon rise, and then everyone howls at the moon. So that's the whole idea. They do provide plenty of outhouses and everything here, lots of parking. So it's a pretty exciting event. It is free, other than they do pass around a donation bucket, and that money goes to the bands that play tonight. So there'll be a couple different bands that will be playing, and so that money goes to them. But other than that, it's a free event, pretty popular event too. Go ahead and get in there, Todd. It'll bite you. Be careful there. Don't take too much out of him. This is the mascot here at the Howling of the Moon. Cool. All right.
Well, my head don't hang on the same day too long.
Did I get a picture?
Oh, Ninette's going to get a picture.
Can't stand to hear that
Wow.
same old
Oh, I was videotaping you.
Oh, hello.
So you're good. So it's a bit windy. So a little bit of a challenge getting some food here. Suzanne's lost her food twice.
Hold tight.
So, how's the food?
Great. Now she can get it to her mouth.
Look who we found out here. People from Sundance.
You bet.
All you guys circled up here.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, here's some neighbors.
My neighbors.
Hey, Dave, where you
Hey.
been?
Been wandering around the desert. 40
around the desert.
40 days, 40 nights.
There you go.
And look what I came upon.
Oh, you poor soul. You poor soul.
So we got to go over here and say hi to Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Do you want to be famous on YouTube? Yeah. Yeah? Hi. All right.
I want to be famous too.
Oh, you want to be famous too?
I do.
All right.
Where are you guys sitting, eh?
We're actually just not too far from you. Here's some subscribers. These are subscribers from a long time ago, huh?
Oh, okay.
What was that?
I said, here's some subscribers of ours for the last year, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, yep. We met last year in our park. So, yeah, pretty cool. Hi. What's that? Oh, yeah. Yep, I have my Scooby-Doo shirt on, so. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Everyone having fun? The ladies out dancing. Oh, sun. So this whole setup, this is a private event, actually. I was talking to the owner of Howling of the Moon. And so this is a private event, and the only place that it's actually held is here in Yuma. So that's pretty interesting, and it's a lot of fun for us to do it because they have a lot of fun. They have to actually, this is private land that they rent, and they come out here and they draw all these lines. So if you see all these lines where the cars are supposed to be and where they're supposed to park, her husband, who's 85 years old, she said, comes out here and draws all these lines so people know where the walkways are. They know where where they can put their chairs, where they park their cars, and they actually bring in sand for the dance floor. So they spread that all out and get rid of all the rocks to make it so it's safe for dancing. And they schedule this all out, so it's pretty cool. They have all these different items here that they have for sale that you can buy. And so it's a fun little event here in Yuma, and it's basically 2 nights for before the full moon or at the full moon time. So that's what makes it really fun. So we're gonna keep hanging around here for a little while. It's pretty windy out here, so hopefully you can hear everything just fine. But anyway, a lot of people. I'm pretty sure tomorrow night will be even busier. But there's probably at least 1,000 people out here right now. All right, so you're in your perfect position, sitting back, having a drink.
This is a very common picture, unfortunately, or video. Maybe too often. I'm not saying anything.
So you're saying that maybe I'm trying to set you up or something?
That I'm in this position too often.
So anyway,
What it's all about.
yeah, so here's Todd. You guys met Todd before. Here's Ann. Here's some new friends of ours back here. This is John and Gabby.
Hey!
John's 60th birthday. Yay!
Oh, it's John's 60th birthday. Woohoo.
Happy birthday.
So we're all out here having fun. I've been wandering around. There's so many people from the resort out here, and just maybe I've come out here enough that you you just start getting to know everybody, everyone starts looking familiar. But it's a pretty fun place, and everyone is just super, super friendly. Well, the moon is supposed to rise at 5:57. It's 5:55 now, so it'll take a little while before we see it probably, but it's going to be right there behind me somewhere, and all we're doing is guessing about where the moon might come up. Well, we are still waiting for the moon to show its face, but we don't see it out there. We're trying to guess where it's going to come up. But the music's good, lots of people, lots of dancing. All right, so you can see that the mountains straight in front of us are lower. So it kind of looks like the moon might be coming up right there, straight out there. Getting a little bit of a glow. Everyone's starting to howl. There it comes. All right, there is the moon. Hear the whole crowd howling at the moon.
There it is. There's the moon. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Things we do out here in the desert. All right, the moon has risen.
Wow, can you hear him?
So, anyway, you can see on this side it looks a lot darker than the other view I had, but it's just the camera kind of correcting the lighting around here. But yeah, so all our friends around, and this is a fun little event. We've had a lot of fun, so thanks for coming along with us. Hope it was fun for you. Maybe you can come out and join us sometime. So that'd be a lot of fun. So anyway, otherwise, we'll just plan on seeing you down the road somewhere. Maybe it'll be in our next video.
Hi, bye. They're all drunk.